All right, y'all, before we get started, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I am repotting my wonderful vegetables. So I'm going to show you some video footage, so keep it. All right, you guys, so I am repotting my plants here. I have the soil, and then I'm going to put it over into the greenhouse when I am finished. But I'm thinking of adding a couple of these together in this pot because I think they both will fit together, especially the alike plants, like the beans that I have here. And then I have to just put the soil in, and then I can probably add both beans together in a pot. All right, so these gloves are wonderful because they are grippy on one side and then they're soft like cloth on the other side. So they're really, really nice for potting plants and grabbing things. I have the pruners. Of course, I don't need them right now, but I still have them. And I have some other good little treats inside my basket here. You guys, I am so happy. I'm actually growing something that's not dying, and it's just unbelievable. So this is a happy day for me. So anyway.